we studied list, where we stored list of languages, list of flowers, and even numbers like this. They were single dimension. But look at this table. Here, row represents each student and the column represents marks scored in each subject. To store such data in the list, we required list inside list. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. And in this session, we will study how to use nested list. Here is the table which shows marks obtained by 3 students in 4 different subjects. To represent this data in a list, we will write students equal to, and inside the square bracket, we will write 3 square brackets separated by comma. And inside the inner square bracket, we will write marks scored by students in 4 different subjects. You see, this is our nested list. Well, these marks represent first student will have index 0 and this will have index 1. I hope you are getting me. And this first number in the first sublist will have index of 0. The second number will have index 1. Now, the first element of the second sublist will also have the index 0. To understand this in a better way, let's try one example. Suppose you want to print marks scored by second student in third subject. For this, we will write a print statement, and inside print, we will write list variable, and in first square bracket, write the index of second student, that is 1. In the second square bracket, write the index of third subject, that is 2. Run the code. You see, you got the marks of second student in the third subject, this one. With the understanding of this index in square bracket, you can access any nested list element. Now suppose you want to print marks obtained by all the students. For that, first we will display the student number and then marks in all subjects. So first write a for loop with SS counter and max range as 3. Inside the indent of for loop, print the student number as S plus 1 like this, because student 1 will have an index of 0. Run the loop. Well, we got 3 students number in 3 different lines. To print the marks in each subject, we will write one more for loop inside this loop. Write a loop with MS counter which will go from 0 to 4 like this. Now write a print statement with the message, the marks in subject, then the subject number. In the subject number, don't forget to add 1, because for user, 0 index is difficult to understand, but we programmers have to make it easy by just adding 1 to it. Then put a colon in double quotes. Then append the marks by writing list variable and pass an index S and M in 2 square bracket like this. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output. But you see, this output is difficult to understand. You can add a space after the second loop print statement like this. Now run the code. You see, the output is much better now. I hope you got some insight into nested list. We are almost done with list, but we need to understand how to create dynamic nested list. We will see that in next session. Thanks for watching.